Sardinia, an island full of mystery where time moves to its own rhythm. We had only 3 days, too little to discover Sardinia in its entirety, but enough to feel its character. That short time led us through the northern part of the island, along the coastline, through mountains and small towns, where the journey matters more than the destination. Leaving Olbia, we begin our first day on the SS-125 road. It runs along the eastern coast, smoothly winding between the mountains and the sea. At one point, we turn left onto a scenic route leading down to a bay. We stop high above Castellardo. From here, the sea feels calm and distant, and the landscape looks like a painting. A winding road, changing light, and a rhythm imposed by the island itself. All of this makes every moment along the way a part of the story. We leave the bay and return to the SS-125. Here, the landscape fades into the background. What matters is the flow of the curves, the quality of the asphalt, and the pure pleasure of riding. As we move away from the coast, the scenery changes. The road leads through the island's rugged interior. Wild animals grazing freely are a constant element of the Sardinian landscape, beautiful yet demanding caution. We head toward Orgosolo, a town famous for its murals, street art that speaks louder than guidebooks. Here, history speaks from the walls. The murals tell stories of freedom, rebellion, and the everyday lives of the locals. It's an open-air gallery, honest, sometimes brutal, always authentic. Here, Sardinia reveals its soul. Leaving Orgosolo, we set off toward another charming town. We hope to reach Bosa before sunset, a city of color, light, and the gentle rhythm of the river. The road leads us through increasingly tranquil landscapes where the mountains slowly give way to open space, and we finally have a moment to catch our breath after an intense day. Ahead of us lies the promise of sunset in Bosa. We arrive in town in the evening. Colorful houses, the Temo River, and the warm glow of the setting sun bring the first day of our journey to a close. After a peaceful night, the town awakens slowly. Colorful houses climb the hillside, and the river calmly reflects the morning light. The valley is shrouded in mist, while above it the mountains stand clear, along with the castle watching over Bosa. We move on, heading north. The western coast is different, more rugged, windswept, and wild. Here, nature takes center stage. Alghero, a city rich in history, holds us only for a moment. A quick espresso, a glance toward the sea, and we move on, toward the cliffs of Capocaccia. We approach the headland, which keeps us for longer. Massive cliffs plunge straight into the sea, all within the Porto Conte Nature Park, where nature has preserved its wild, untouched face. Our next destination is Castellardo, a stone town clinging to the rock, as if frozen in time. We stop here for lunch, tasting fresh seafood, listening to the sound of the sea and the calm of narrow streets. It's time to move on, to reach the area around Pittolongo before dusk. Here, not only accommodation awaits us, but true Sardinian hospitality. Simon, whom we met by chance while searching for a place to stay, spends long evenings with us, talking about travel, motorcycles, and life. Moments like these are impossible to forget. We set out to explore the Emerald Coast. We wanted to experience the island the way its residents do, moving at their pace without rush or distance. Scooters became the natural choice, allowing us to stay close to everyday life, the sun, the scent of the sea, and roads that connect small bays rather than just points on a map. We ride along the shoreline. Our next stop is Porto Cervo, a flash of luxury amid the wild landscape of the Emerald Coast. Yachts, exclusive boutiques, and elegant villas contrast with the rugged roads that brought us here. The sun sinks lower, time to head back. Along the way, we stop in Porto Aranci, which welcomes us with calm. Boats in the harbor reflect the sunlight, and the wind carries the scent of the sea. 3 days were enough for Sardinia to leave its mark on us. The north of the island revealed its contrasts, wildness and elegance, silence and conversations lasting late into the night. This was not the last journey. It was an invitation to return.